Welcome to WR Davis Premium. Today's video walk around is of a 2014 plate Mercedes A45. It's a really nice example with lots of nice options on, so we'll try and run through those now. I'm sure if you're watching this video and you've been looking at the market, you're probably fairly familiar with what this car's got, but it's got the upgraded lights on the front, which seems called a night pack. It has the multi-spoke upgraded alloys, painted black all round with red calipers behind. Currently runs on matching branded Michelin tyres all round, fairly recently put on. It has privacy glass. It has the Aero pack spoiler and rear diffuser, as well as a fully opening panoramic roof. It has parking sensors front and rear. In really good order all round, inside and out. It's not had a smoker in, don't believe it's had any pets in either. There's a full, obviously, half leather Recaro seats, AMG badge in the centre. A satellite navigation, heated seats, has the Mercedes emblem on the actual gear lever and the key. Doesn't look like the rear's had a great deal of use. So just to summarise, it's a really nice car, nice example, very well spec'd. It also has the sports exhaust system on as well, which doesn't really stand out in the video, but the options list is quite high on this one, so if you're watching the video, you like the look of the car, get in touch, ask your questions and we'll go through them. Thank you.